Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can get the text transcript of any video that you want. It's completely free and it's fast and it works for all devices and anywhere in the world. So let's get it. So for this, all you have to do is go to the YouTube and upload the video that you want to get the text transcript of. And in our case, this is the video that we want to get the text transcript of. Let me play this one.
People want to know how I'm always motivated. It's the unseen work.
So this is the video that we want to get the text transcript of, and here I upload this. Don't do anything, just keep uploading. No, it's not made for kid. We are not uploading video for YouTube, we are doing it to get the text transcript. That's our goal. So you have to make it public. Close. So this video is already uploaded on YouTube account, so play it.
People want to know how I'm always motivated.
Now scroll down and you will see this show transcript option. From here you can copy if you want to remove the timestamp, you can just store tag of timestamp and this will remove, and all you have to do is copy and paste. This is how you get the text transcript of any video on the internet. Trick here is, if you have a short video, then all you have to do is upload as a video, not as a short, so that this show transcript option will pop up and you can copy the text.